5 seconds. Start. Governor of Chhattisgarh Raman Dekha ji, Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla ji, Speaker of the Chhattisgarh Legislative Assembly my friend Raman Singh ji, Chief Minister of the state Vishnu Dev Sai ji, distinguished ministers, public representatives and ladies and gentlemen present here. Today mark a golden beginning for Chhattisgarh's journey of development. Personally, it is also a very special and joyful day for me. I have had a deep emotional bond with this land for several decades. As a worker, I spent a great deal of time in Chhattisgarh and I learned so much from this place. The people and the soil of Chhattisgarh have greatly blessed and shaped my life. From the idea and conception of Chhattisgarh to the resolve that led to its formation and to the realization of that dream, I have been a witness to every stage of the state's transformation. And today, as Chhattisgarh reaches a significant milestone in its 25 years journey, I have once again been honored to be part of this historic movement. I am fortunate to inaugurate this new legislative assembly building for the people of the state to mark this silver jubilee celebration. I extend my heartiest congratulations to the state government on this auspicious occasion. The year 2025 also marked the Amrit year of the Indian Republic. 75 years ago, Bharat dedicated its constitution to its citizens. On this historic occasion, I pay tribute from this region to the eminent members of the Constituent Assembly. Pandit Ravi Shankar Shukla ji, Barrister Thakur Chedilal ji, Ghanshyam Singh Gupta ji, Kishori Mohan Tripathi ji, Ram Prasad Patai ji and Raghuraj Singh ji. Coming from this largely underdeveloped region, these visionaries reached Delhi and played a crucial role in shaping our constitution under the leadership of Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Today is a golden chapter in the history of Chhattisgarh. The inauguration of this grand and modern assembly building is not merely the dedication of the structure, but it is a celebration of 25 years of people's aspirations, struggles and pride. Today, Chhattisgarh stands at a new pinnacle of its dream. And at this proud moment, I bow to the great visionary whose foresight and compassion led to the creation of this state, and this great statesman is Bharat Ratna, the revered Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji. When Atalji created the state of Chhattisgarh in 2000. His decision was not merely an administrative one. That decision was a visionary step to open new paths of development and to give identity to the very soul of Chhattisgarh. That is why today, as the grand new assembly building is inaugurated along with the unveiling of Atalji's statue, my heart is filled with emotion. I feel like saying, Atalji, wherever you are, look, your dream is coming true. The Chhattisgarh that you built is today brimming with confidence, reaching new heights of progress. The history of the Chhattisgarh Legislative Assembly is an inspiration in itself. When this beautiful state was formed in 2000, the first assembly session was held at the Jaspur Hall of Rajkumar College in Raipur. Those were days of limited resources but unlimited dreams. The only sentiment at that time was that we will shape our destiny and make it shine faster. Later, the assembly building that came up was also originally part of another department's premises. From there began Chhattisgarh democratic journey infused with new energy. Today, 25 years later, that same democracy and those same people are inaugurating a modern, digital, and self-reliant assembly complex. This building is a sanctum of democracy. Every pillar here stands as a symbol of transparency. Every corridor reminds us of accountability, and every chamber reflects the voice of the people. The decisions taken here will shape Chhattisgarh's destiny for decades to come. Every word spoken here will become a vital part of Chhattisgarh's past, present, and future. I am confident that this building will serve as the center of the state's policy, destiny, and policymakers for generations. Today, the entire nation is moving forward by embracing both heritage and development. And this spirit is visible in every policy and decision of the government. The sacred symbol inspires our new parliament. The new galleries of parliament connect the entire world with the ancient roots of Indian democracy. The statue installed in the parliament complex remind the world how deep the root of democracy run in Bharat. I am delighted that this very vision and spirit of Bharat is also reflected in Chhattisgarh's new assembly building. The new assembly complex of Chhattisgarh is true reflection of the state's rich culture. Every corner of this assembly carries the inspiration of the great personality who were born on the sacred soil of Chhattisgarh. prioritizing the deprived, Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, ensuring everyone's participation and promoting inclusive development are the hallmark of good governance under the BJP government, and they also represent the spirit of nation's constitution. These values are the eternal teachings of our sages, seers, and the great leaders. Full stop.